Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a campaign from start to finish. This will help you get your campaigns up and running quickly without any confusion. I've broken this down into 3 easy steps, so you can follow along without getting lost. We'll start by creating a new campaign and choosing the right template for your needs. To select a campaign template, click the plus New Campaign button to get started. Browse through the available templates and select Quick Spin Sale for this campaign. Hit the Continue button to proceed with your chosen template. You have selected your campaign template. Next, let's go to Step 2, which is to enter basic campaign details. To enter basic campaign details, click on the Campaign Name field. Type in your campaign name. This will be what your audience sees when they encounter your promotion. Set your campaign end date by clicking the calendar icon and selecting the date when you want the campaign to finish. Next, let's go to Step 1, which is to set up prizes for your campaign. To set up prizes, start by editing the grand prize name to something meaningful for your campaign, like a cash voucher. Update the value for your grand prize by entering the prize amount in the Value field. Let's customize the major prize by changing its name to reflect what you're offering. Enter the monetary value for your major prize in the Value field. Update the minor prize name to match your campaign's prize structure. Click back into the Major Prize Value field if you need to make any adjustments. Fine-tune the value by adding or editing the decimal places as needed. Finalize the major prize value by entering the exact amount you want to offer. Set the value for your minor prize by entering the appropriate amount. Finally, adjust the quantity to determine how many minor prizes will be available for winners. You have successfully set up your campaign prizes. Let's go to next step, which is to define participation rules. To define participation rules, scroll down to view the additional campaign settings. Check the Require Receipt Upload to Participate checkbox to ensure customers must provide proof of purchase. Enter the minimum spending amount required for participation in the Amount per Play field. Next, let's go to Step 1, which is to preview and launch the campaign. To preview and launch the campaign, click the Preview Campaign button to see how your campaign will look to participants. Scroll down through the preview page to review all the campaign details and settings you've configured. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click Launch Campaign to make your campaign live. You have previewed your campaign, and it's ready to go live. Let's go to next step, which is to activate the campaign. To activate the campaign, click on the Hari Raya 2026 Celebration campaign from your list. Scroll through the campaign details to review your setup. Hit the Edit Campaign button to make any final adjustments. Click Next to proceed through the campaign setup. Continue by clicking Next again. Review your prizes configuration by scrolling down the page. Move forward by clicking the Next button. Scroll through the Game Rules section to verify everything looks correct. Click Next to reach the final activation step. Click the Activate button to begin the activation process. Confirm your decision by clicking Activate Campaign in the confirmation modal. Your campaign is now live. Scroll down to see the activated campaign details and status. Your campaign is now active and ready to go. You've successfully created your campaign from start to finish. That's all there is to it.